Hi everyone, Dave with LUXX Kitchen and Bath in Boise, Idaho again. Today we're going to talk about the kinds of materials you can get for vanity countertops. We're not talking about kitchen countertops today. There's a lot of overlap, but they're not exactly the same. You have more choices in kitchen countertops than you do with vanity countertops. So here is one still popular choice. Classic Carrara marble. This particular one is 3 centimeters thick. The Carrara marble is just beautiful. It is classic. It can be stained, but in bathrooms we find that not to be a problem. I'm not really sure why. We've been selling vanities for years and years all over the country, and we have never had a customer contact us and say, oh, I've stained my Carrara marble top. In a kitchen application, I would not be anxious to use marble, especially if you're doing red wines, fruit juices, those kinds of things, tomatoes. They will absorb a stain more easily, but in bathrooms, it's just really a beautiful classic top. You're not going to hurt this with heat generally, so curling irons, you don't usually have to worry about it. Here's another vanity that has a different top. It's called Solid Surface. Solid Surface is a man-made product. Depending on the manufacturer, depending on how they build it, there's going to be about 50% to 70% crushed stone. The rest will be some sort of resin and then color. One of the great things about solid surface tops is you can get integrated sinks. We call these sink tops. Makes for easy cleanup. You can also get colors in them. The downsides to solid surface is it's going to scratch more easily than, say, a natural stone like Carrara marble or like some of the granites you can still buy, although granite is certainly declining in popularity. Some manufacturers still offer it. So solid surface does tend to scratch more easily, but you usually can repair it fairly easily. So it's easy to clean up, not quite as durable as quartz or natural stones. You can scorch it with heat. I would be careful about leaving a hot curling iron in contact with the top. So that's solid surface, nice product, gets you a really contemporary look. Over here we have what might be the most durable countertop you can get, at least in our opinion. This is a porcelain sink top. Again, has an integrated sink. It's all porcelain. Porcelain is pretty darn durable, not easy to scratch, not bothered by heat. Porcelain is a growing in popularity for kitchen countertops, in fact, as well as its next level up ultra compact surfaces like Decton by Silestone, Cosentino Silestone. Porcelain is a great top. Usually you're limited in size on these. You can't go with the big 60-inch or 72-inch tops, but really a great solution. The fourth solution you can do, of course, is the extremely popular quartz. This particular model is by Fairmont Designs. It's called Carrara quartz. It's meant to look like Carrara marble. They do a 2 cm thickness. More people are doing 3 cms. The 2 cm to me looks a little cleaner, but Carrara marble is, or Carrara quartz, or really all quartz, if it's good quality quartz, will have 93% crushed stone, 1% color, and the rest will be resin. It's durable. It's going to be harder to scratch than solid surface, but not impossible to scratch. It's inherently sealed because it is a man-made product made with resin, and you do have to be a little cautious with heat, so I would not want to see customers leaving a hot curling iron in contact with the top for very long. But really great choices. So yet another option for a vanity countertop that at least one of our manufacturers is offering are concrete countertops. That's a really interesting choice. We're seeing more of that in kitchens, and so it makes perfect sense that it's coming to bathrooms. The issues with concrete might be that you probably are going to need to seal it. It will have a tendency to absorb things. it probably is going to be super durable, and you're probably not going to have to worry about heat. We haven't seen those tops yet, but we're hoping to see them soon. So that I think is a really interesting choice. All these tops, all of our vanities are available on our website, LUXXKitchenBath.com, and you can filter your vanity choices by the top, by the type of top. Just yesterday, we had customers in that really wanted a vanity with a porcelain top. So it was super easy for us to say, okay, great, here are all the vanities with a porcelain top. In your size, they picked one, happy as clams. So yeah, hopefully that's helpful. Those are your choices in countertops for vanities. All these are available at LUXXKitchenBath.com. We do ship to all of the lower 48. And for those customers who need inside delivery, we are able to arrange inside delivery to most addresses in the United States. Thanks for watching today. Have a great day.